from the 1st of the 2nd month of 1443. The back of the Nightmare Before Christmas tarot is a gateway to life. "17, be fully upon you in all states, stations, and qualities." 14 is the partial in between the onset of accountability. 1 past, the teens sees the gaps of the depth of psychology as they individuate within spirituality. The 24 the double-horned and half years and continue to work through their growth in frames like duality. And what is your thought of what we've seen here?
Let's see, I picked up stair steps, like stages and steps. It's kind of like that saying, you gotta learn how to walk before you run.
But yeah, sometimes I try to find meaning with the back. Aleister Crowley Thoth Tarot is an important one with that sort of aspect, because the whole deck is very easily displayed on the thing. You have the rose cross with its petals. You have the mother letters and the double letters and the simple letters. So 3, 7, 12. And of course, the letter Tau is also the letter for, it's Saturn and Earth. So you have a 4th elemental, which is also a planet. But the double letter thing is largely because if you think about that, so you got 22 letters, and you have at some point Aramea, and in some dialect, it's up to 30 different sounds. So instead of 22 sounds, you had up to 30 sounds. So those double letters account for 7 of those. And the difference between the Ein and the Gain, the devil card in most decks, would account for that. And I don't know if I don't want to go too much into giving just a bunch of positive reviews, but this book is very nice. I like the fact that they show each card in color, that they give, basic upright and reversed meanings. You might want to go more into the movie and to get that. And I guess the one thing I was going to share was that, of course, the what I used what one can do sometimes. So the time of year where we're recording this is one where you can go buy pumpkins. And especially when there's Halloween decorations near the pumpkins, somebody somewhere. What I'm the only one that I've never seen other people do it, and of course I'm setting bad example for the kids. Apparently, is what the mothers say at the supermarket. But you hold up a pumpkin and set up a pumpkin song. Halloween. All that, and I'm not sure how that sounds outside of my head, but
it's pretty funny. It's okay. I grew a bunch of pumpkins this year. Unintentionally.
Well, I tried to, I throw, if something goes bad, I take it outside. And otherwise, but I I'm not seeing a good order of the cards that's going to help me find. So it's yeah, it's sort of a glossy card stock, so it's not. I've never been the best at shuffling cards, especially it's like look at how big a tarot deck is. You know,
Yeah.
because some people literally in their hands they can do all this stuff. So I'm going to pause this